Hello, my name is Ducky, and welcome to English with Ducky. Today, we're doing a listening exercise. Please listen to the dialogue and complete the questions. There will be 6 of them.
Hi, my name is Kurt. I have blonde hair. I have a mustache. I wear yellow glasses. Right now, I am outside. I am in my backyard. I just finished painting my picket fence. The grass is green. I can hear birds. I like my backyard. It is quiet. I drink some water when it's too hot. Do you see something strange? I don't. That's me, Kurt. Nice to meet you.
Wonderful. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What is his name? Is it A. John, B. Kurt, or C. Court? Correct. It's B. Kurt. Question 2. Does he have a beard? A. Yes, he does. Or B. No, he doesn't. Correct. B. No, he doesn't. A mustache isn't a beard. Question 3. What did he finish doing? A. Painting his picket fence. B. Looking at his picket fence. Or C. Painting his house. Correct. A. Painting his picket fence. Question 4. What can he hear? Is it A. Cars, B. Cats, or C. Birds? Correct. C. Birds. Question 5. What does he do when he feels hot? Is it A. Go inside and rest, B. Paint his picket fence, or C. Drink some water? Good job. C. Drink some water. Question 6, and the last question. Does he see the strange eye in the picket fence? A. Yes, he does. Or B. No, he doesn't. Good. B. No, he doesn't. Lovely. So, what was your final score? Did you get all 6 right? Please leave it in the comments and let us know. Here is the transcript to read what Kurt said so you can read along. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Please like and subscribe. And please buy my book. You can scan the QR code or look in the description to be able to retrieve it. Thank you. Ha.